ngeke.
Sizotrena sisiyo.
Never sisi ngeke. Sizotrenda. It is another day, another vlog. Welcome to my channel. If you're not yet subscribed, please do consider subscribing down below and join our little beautiful growing family. So today I'm starting a vlog. I think it's just gonna be for a day, but if I extend it to days and 2 weeks and 2 months, it's still fine. What's more important is that you will get the content. That's all that matters at this point. Okay, so today it is a Sunday and I woke up so early because I am planning on shooting for a campaign. Yay! We've got a campaign that we need to shoot for. It's not yet a paid campaign, of which that I am manifesting for the next year, that I will get more campaigns and it will be paid partnerships. Yeah? So pray with me, you guys. And so I got the package 3 days ago, and then I had to shoot some content and post on Instagram. Yeah? So we'll be doing that. I am preparing for it. And thereafter, I'm not sure how the day is gonna go. We'll not yet have something planned, but we will see when the as the day goes. Don't mind, guys, the noise in the background. You know, when you've got a 2-year-old, oh, it's like noise is an everyday thing. Now he has got this scooter, if you call it a scooter, guys. So ever since he got that scooter, I have never had peace. Or like it's the noise, it's just the noise. Okay, I just want to quickly show you something. So we got this set. Yeah. This set. We got that set as a present from Equalities when we first moved in. Yeah. So I'll be using some bowls from that set today for the campaign to shoot. Hopefully everything is gonna go as I am planning it in my head now. So yeah, okay guys, but I'll show you the behind the scenes of the whole shoot if I'm able to. Remember, we're doing the shoot with my phone and then videos I have to take with my phone. So if I'm able to get some footage, I will show it to you guys. And yeah guys, let me not ramble too much. So this is the intro for the vlog. Yeah, I will see you guys when I see you. Let me just make breakfast for my child, and yeah, we will see how this day goes. Bye for now. Ngeke sizotrenda. So this is what I use for my face. I don't use much. It's so hot outside. So to enjoy.
Nothing no more. Feels like I've been doing way too much, babe. Feels like I've been working through your stuff, babe. Over time, lately it's been getting kind of tough, babe.
So, just a quick update. So we taking the kids. I think I've mentioned it, but I'm not sure. We're taking the kids out for play date. Let me just put it like that, because where we're going, it's not really for us. It's more of for the kids, So okay, that's where we are going. I will see you guys around. I'm wearing this cute dress. Let me show you. Let me show you this cute dress. Look at the cutest dress ever. It's so cute. Okay, let's go now. Hi guys. So we are now ready to leave. My skin, guys, yay problem, guys. Didn't perfume as the bunny, guys. You oil na man, but let us get going.
Act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me. You got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed? I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed? I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go.
I would say we were good together. I would say we had fun, but our trails will never run forever. Something else is on your mind, like everything that's good in life always comes
Angesan.
Finally don't get enough. Finally been riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a up what someone say. Finally got my friends sitting back on my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. I know you're hiding behind that pretty brown face.
Sitshintshwe i-location ke yona. So sithola manje se-beach because anyways kushushu guys. So siseya go to the area. Yeah.
Yeah. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show? Take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? Yeah. Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm
Hi guys, so I am realizing now that I'm editing the vlog that I don't have an outro for this one. So after hey